AI video generators have been around for a while now, but things really changed when tools like Google's VEO started pushing out insanely realistic results that had everyone questioning what's real and what's AI. Like seriously, some of these clips look too real. But here's the catch. Tools like that can cost upwards of $200 a month, which just isn't practical for most people. So what if I told you there's an AI tool that gives you that same level of control, where you can build your own scenes, design characters, and actually direct your videos the way you want? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. So this is Higsfield AI right here, and you might already be familiar with this one, as it's known for handling incredibly realistic images and videos. But what's even better is a hidden feature that not many people are actually talking about yet. It's a really, really powerful tool that you can even use to generate full, high-quality movies. Yes, that's right, actual movies. Over the course of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that for yourself. If you take a look at these generations, you can see right away that they are all super realistic and high quality. There's no weird morphing and no distortion. If you look over here, the platform has different tools for image generation and even more for video, but the specific tool we're going to be focusing on today is Cinema Studio 2.5. All you have to do is click right here, and it will load you over to this interface. This is honestly the best setup if you want to generate AI images and videos while taking your content to the next level. I know this might look a little bit confusing at first, but I'm going to break it all down for you in just a moment. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the image section. You'll see a very wide variety of options to choose from. If you click here, you can choose to either generate a character or create a location. First, let's create a location, and then I'll show you how to create a character. After that, I'll show you how you can generate images with that specific character inside that location, just like you see here. So let's start by creating the location. We'll click on Create Location, and then I'll be referring to my prompt PDF for this video. If you're wondering where to get that, it'll be available in my Discord. I'm just going to copy the first location prompt like this and paste it right in. You can choose the number of images you want to generate, but I'm just going to leave it at 1 for now and hit Generate. The AI will begin to process our request. And in no time at all, our location image has been generated. If you look closely, you'll see we have this incredibly realistic image of a sushi bar. The setting really shows how well it adhered to the prompt we gave it. Now, you can save this to your device, but we don't necessarily have to do that just yet. What I want you to do is clear this out, click here once again, and then select Create a New Character. Head back over to the prompts and copy the prompt for the character, then paste it in just like this. Once again, hit Generate and give it a minute to process. Honestly, I'm really intrigued to see how well this tool handles this, because I don't think there's any other AI tool out there quite like this one right now. Okay, our image is done generating. If you take a closer look, you can see that it adhered to the prompt perfectly once again, and it looks really, really good. Now, you might be wondering, now that I have the character and the location, how do I actually integrate them? Well, you just head over to the video section and describe your scene. For this, I have a prompt here that I'll be using. It already has the slots highlighted, so all I have to do is go over and replace the first section with the character, then go here and select the location. That's basically all there is to it. I'm going to leave all the settings the same and keep the audio on. You can actually take the duration up to 10 or 12 seconds, but I'm just going to leave it at 5 seconds for this demo. Let's see how it generates. Okay, so our video is done generating. Let's take a look. As you can see, this is really high quality. There's no weird motion or distortion, just pure AI magic. It looks incredibly realistic and lifelike. Honestly, you wouldn't even be able to tell it's AI. If you notice, our character has been perfectly embedded in the video within that same location, and everything from the textures to the lighting looks great. You can just click here and download it straight to your device. Now, let's test this out with a different character. For this one, I'm going to create my second character. I'll copy the prompt and paste it in, hit Generate, and while that's working, I'll also set up the location. I'll clear this out, copy the lab location prompt, and hit Generate. Our character has been generated. Take a closer look. This one is a scientist, and now I'm generating the lab where he'll be located. Once those are ready, just head back to the video section, paste in your scene prompt, and select the character and location we just made. Again, I'll keep this at 5 seconds and hit generate. The video is finished, so let's check it out. As you can see, this is exactly how we pictured the lab. You can even see his fingers here. Of course, you can use a more detailed prompt if you want to see the full body, but this is already as good as it gets. These are the amazing capabilities of Higsfield AI. Make sure to check it out for yourself. This is Cinema Studio 2.5, and there is so much more you can do with it. The link will be in my bio, so make sure to take a look.